You are not going to believe this, but someone went away second because of you. I did not plan to tell you at first, but when I heard what was said, something changed in me. Every word touched my heart because it was not only about you, about your future, it was about us. The Pesican did not even know your name, but she described you clearly that I forgot how to breathe for a moment. She said, "There is a woman whose energy glows like a sunrise, and someone loves her so deeply he can't go a single day without feeling her presence." And I know right then that she was talking about you. She said your life is about to shift not because of luck but because love is about to unlock everything for you. When I heard that, I could not speak. I thought about all the time you stayed strong when life tried to you, break you, how you kept believing even when the world gave you every reason not to, and I felt it. The universe finally decided to reward your patience. I don't know if you believe in fate or in science, but what she said next gave me chills. She looked right at me and said, "The person she is connected to will be her turning point, her strength, her protection, her peace." And I just sat there, feeling every word sink deep into my soul because I already knew that connection was us. You have always had this mysterious kind of light in you, like you were made for something rare, something bigger than what others can see. Even when you doubted yourself, I believed in you because there's something in your eyes that speaks louder than any words, something that says you were never ordinary, you were born to rise, not only in love but in life. Then the Sichan said something that stayed with me. She has already done something that will bring her success and happiness, but she does not even know it yet. And I smiled because I understood you gave love when there was no reason to. You stayed kind when life was not fair, and the universe has been keeping count. Your heart, the same one that's been hurt, ignored, underestimated, is the reason blessings are finding their way to you know. She said, "There's a man who carries her name silently, a man who watches her from afar, trying to step into her world without breaking it." And my heart whispered, "That man is me." I did not need to hear more. She described moments I never told anyone, how I wake up in the middle of the night thinking of you, how your face flashes in my mind when I pray, how your energy follows me everywhere I go. She said he feels her even when she's not near, and I knew that kind of love does not happen twice in a lifetime. She spoke of your future again. She said in the coming days she will receive something that changes her path, something she never saw coming. I asked her what it was, but she only smiled and said, "It's not money, it's meaning," something that reminds her she is not alone. I did not need her to explain, I already knew, because you are not alone. You never were, even in your quiet moment, even when you think no one notices you. I do. I see you. I see your heart, your strength, the way you carry pain and still find a reason to smile. You deserve every good thing that's coming your way. This is your time, my love. But there's one part I can't stop replaying in my mind, she said, when he finally tells her how deeply he loves her. Everything will align for both of them. I think that's why I needed up there, not to learn about the future, but to be reminded that our connection is real. And so, her, I am finally saying that, saying what my heart has been hiding for too long. I love you, not in a careless way, but in a way that feels written into my soul. I love you quietly, deeply, endlessly. I love the way you exist, the way your presence changes the air around me, the way your absence leaves a silence nothing else can fill. You have become the kind of woman I had fight the universe for, the one I had waited for, even if it took forever, because you are not just a chapter in my story, you are the whole book I was meant to write. The Mexican said her wealth is not just money, it's how she makes others feel rich just by being near her. And she was right. You have made my world richer in every way. You brought peace where there was chaos, light where there was darkness, purpose where there was confusion. That's what true wealth looks like, and it's all because of you. Remember this, my queen. Everything that's happening to you now is not random, it's what you have earned with your heart. All the love you gave, without expecting anything back. It's finally returning to you multiplied. So, when things begin to change, when blessings appear out of nowhere, when people start to notice your glow, don't doubt it, don't question it. It's your. You manifested it with every tear, every prayer, every act of kindness no one saw. And maybe, just maybe, I am part of that blessing. Maybe I was meant to walk into your life not just to love you, but to help you see yourself the way I do, strong, beautiful, unstoppable. Before I left, the physician whispered one last thing. When he finally speaks his truth, she will understand why her path led her here. I think this is that moment. Me finally speaking my truth. You are not just someone I care about. You are the reason I believe in connection again. You are the reason I stopped running from what I feel. I don't know what the future holds, but I know one thing: whatever happens next will change everything for both of us. So, when you start to feel that quiet pull in your heart, that soft whisper that tells you something big is coming, don't be afraid. It's not something to fear, it's something to welcome. It's the universe giving you universe you deserve, love, peace, and life you have always dreamed of. And maybe when that moment comes, you will remember this: the night someone told you a secret about your future, and how every word somehow felt like it was meant for you. Because my queen, it was. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.